What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I want to talk about my road to doing dips again. It's 1 year after I started in February 2021. Only could do dips with rubber bands without hurting my sternum. And now 1 full year later, I'm able to do dips with 2 plates. That means 40 added kilos to my body without any problems. I know I've done a lot of videos about this and you can check out the whole list here. I could do dips with 20 kilos for maybe 8 reps before, and then I stopped doing dips for at least 5 years, and now that I'm taking it back up again, I can go and do 40 kilos for 8 repetitions. So the only way to get this is by starting slow, starting below what you're capable of. And in this case, I actually started where I was just capable of doing assisted dips with rubber bands so that I couldn't aggravate my sternum, and slowly building up week by week got me to the point that I am today. And it took me a year to do 40 kilos, but 40 kilos is a lot of weight and I feel that I still have left in the tank. This is more like a message of be patient and trust the progress. I can clearly say that my body has adapted to doing dips again. That doesn't mean that I'm going crazy now and next week I'm going to do 3 plates. No, I'm still going to take it slow and steady, because eventually we're going to hit a plateau and we're going to have to do some more complex programming or just switch some exercises up. Don't be impatient when you have sternum pain, you want to train and you want to get back to it immediately. Find something that works at your level right now, today, and progress from there on. See what you can do, pain-free, work your way up from there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I know this is a message that I've shown you a lot of times, but I still want to give it to you because slow and steady really wins the race. Yeah, I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!